kami sa adventure namin ni Paring Jess. Pupunta kami sa Nelson Lake, doon sa pinakamataas. Sabi niya mga 3 to 4 hours daw ang lalakarin. So let's go, try natin. Siyempre baba mo lang yung upuan dyan para marami kang may karga dyan. Nagpe-prepare siya guys. Ito yan, pwede yan. Baba natin guys. Yan, ready na siya. May dala pa yata tent to guys ha.
Panigurado mga kargo niyan.
Guys oh. Oh, ready, may dalang tent.
Tayo.
May mga dalang talagang ano yan. So, ready siya.
Kailangan
Laging ready. Si Maricoy. Kasama ba yan? Pumasok? Ayun lang, pumasok guys. Hindi siya kasama. Maricoy. Tara, let's go tayo. Kasi ba ako? Parang dilim. Okay na yan? Right. Doon na, saan na? Tara guys. So, samahan nyo kami sa ang biyahe. Kahit naman yan, saglit mo lang kunan eh. Hindi mo kailangan magtagal-tagal eh. Kailangan na record yung ano. Tinan mo nga sila, di ba? Largahan na to guys. Kasi ready na kami oh. Yung mga ano namin, mga forma namin oh. So ayan oh. So tubig. Ano to? Sige. Ready na kami. Dito pa na ilog. Dadaanan natin pa na ilog. Dito pa na akyat. So kaya maganda. Sambang so guys, kailangan namin mag-decide kung saan kami Isa kami dito daw sa side na to. Dito sa side na to, panay ilog dadaan namin. Dito naman panay paahon. So challenge namin ngayon pa lang, may challenging na kaming pinagdadaanan. Mamimili kami. So anong ano mo? Ilog o pero imporma natin di pang ilog eh. Dapat kung ilog tayo, short saka so guys, yun nga, formahang tuyo. So dito tayo guys. Let's go. Guys, labas na agad yung dila ko. Simula pa lang to guys. Dito. Ganda nitong exercise nito. Kami kaya apple muna. Kaya pa?
Ikaw. Nandito lang tayo.
Abot na daw nila yung tuktok. Nakarating na sila pero nasa paanan pala. Para yung umakyat pa ako. Grabe yan. Man, kung kaya ni Pacquiao, kaya natin yan. Diba, Pacman? Doon tayo magpahinga. May puno. Pahinga tayo rito.
Diba dito muna tayo magluto ng lunch?
Saan?
You're too hot now.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Whereabouts are you guys from?
Philippines.
Thought Philippines.
Yeah,
So what are you doing in New Zealand? Are you
but we are live and working here.
right? So what, whereabouts do you work?
Yeah.
Where is your job?
In Motueka.
Oh, Mark.
Oh, flooding and everything.
Yeah.
Yes.
So were you on a dairy farm or orchard
No.
or?
We
Factory.
manufactured of chairs.
Huh?
Chair.
Cabinets, chairs.
Oh yeah, yeah,
Sofa.
yeah.
Yeah.
Right. So you upholster.
Yeah, correct.
Yeah.
Ah,
You're correct.
isn't
Yeah.
that where you got something done in?
Yeah.
We are upholstered.
Yeah.
Did you get flooded?
Na,
My house.
Oh. So are you guys New Zealand citizens? You've been.
only
So-
working visa.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh shit, your house.
Yeah.
In Mott.
How about you all guys here?
Yeah. Well, we're in Auckland.
Mapua, Mahana. Mahana.
Yeah, and Glenelg.
Different places, yeah?
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, yeah.
Ah, nice
Yeah.
to
So you,
know that.
you like New Zealand, obviously. You're Kiwi now.
Yeah,
Yeah,
weather is good.
yeah.
Sometimes.
Not too hot. Not too hot like the
Yeah.
Philippines. Yeah.
cold.
And is all your family over here?
Yeah, my kids.
Yeah.
But yeah, my kids.
Nice. Go to school.
Yeah, just the what do you call that? The youngest.
Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah, only one. 17 years old.
Ah, nice. Yeah.
And the rest, they have work.
yeah. Ah,
Yeah. So you're just having a weekend away. It's nice. It's
Yeah.
beautiful.
We
So have
try.
you been up here before?
No.
No, but he been here.
Me, but only there in the top.
Oh, to the hut. Did you go to the hut? Or?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, it's a beautiful view.
Angeles?
No.
No.
Oh no. Just the top.
Yeah. Come back
Yeah.
down.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, it's beautiful. And such a good day for it. It's lovely. Yeah.
Yeah, we trying to reach the end of
Yeah.
this.
That's a lot of uphill.
Yeah.
There's just 3 hours. I think.
Yeah, yeah.
No, to the top.
How
How
many?
long?
Now.
Not 3 hours.
No.
To
No.
the top.
Just to
Maybe
half
3
an hour.
hours return.
It's right
you
round.
go
3
right
hours.
round.
1 hour to the top.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, you'll be alright.
Yes.
Right
Thank you.
Take
Thank
it
you for
slow.
the share.
Yeah, yeah. Don't rush.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
See you.
Yeah. See you there.
We'll be stopping along the way.
All right.
Ano oras na ba?
Kami noodles. Gutom kami. So, iting pare ko, sanay na sanay siya sa pagluluto. Chef cook pala ito ng ano, ng camping. Galing. Ayan o. Sarado lahat. Noodles. Oh, sakto yung itlog pre. Lagyan natin dyan.
Oo.
Sige. Lagyan natin itlog. Kunti
So
itlog.
yung basura kailangan.
Dalhin, oh.
Wala tayong mga dito.
Oh, lahat.
Wow.
Sarap. Lagyan natin itlog. Ito yung bawon. Yan. Tinapay din tayo dito. Ito. Sarap. Ayos. Look. Guys, ito tayo. Panalo. Diba? Guys, tapos.
Pwede yung ano natin.
Na?
Walang kutsara. Sarap guys.
Pababa na, baka yung mga sabi natin kanina. Hindi namin inabot yung tuktok na hindi kumain eh. Pinoy kami. Labi yung inabot. Kasi pa. Yan natin. Ah. Galingan dito ni Paris eh. Lagi na kami magantog. Mabuti pala na wala na sasakyan so nakapasama kami. Wala, yun. Ha?
Ginawa ko na kanina.
Hi. Come to eat.
Some
I have a lunch.
Just headed up the hill.
Yeah.
We have bread there.
Enjoy your walk.
Thank you. Papabansa ha. Guys, nagutom kami. Talagang di namin kinaya. Imagine mo, ang taas. Taas pala ano to, Robert, no? Grabe. Then, every 30 steps, talagang katalim tuhod. So, alam mo na, Pinoy. And umiidad na. Salamat. Simula na uli kami. Kami ay nakakain na. So, let's go. Tara na uli. Tara. Tara. Let's go. Salamat sa Diyos. Amen. Guys. Mula uli kami magkakyat. Uli.
Dito ba?
Parang di ka makuha. Parang bumibigat yata guys yung tiyan namin. Para lalo yata kung ano ha. Di makakabang ha. Kaya ba pre?
Ha?
Kaya mo pa?
Kunti.
Para
Ang nilakad mo matanda. Ang dami.
masarap sa lugar na ito. Kung malakas-lakas yung tuhod mo, pwede ito mag-hiking sa ganito kataas. Exercise na rin. Kwenta na eh. Kaya mabilis mapagod. Ano, laban pa kayo dito? Sabihin nyo lang. Dadaling ko kayo dito. ko. Guys, yun na yung I think yun na yung bahay dito na sabi ko. Mabilis ka daw kung tutuloy ka kasi napakalayo.
Nandito kami ngayon sa Relax